How to convert raw JSON to JPA entities in Spring Boot using ObjectMapper. Converting raw JSON to JPA entities in Spring Boot. When building REST APIs with Spring Boot and Hibernate, a common need is to accept raw JSON from a client and persist it as a JPA entity. The question is, how to convert a JSON map into a strongly typed entity object efficiently and cleanly. Common approach and its limitations. A naive approach is to receive the JSON as a map string, object and manually map each entry to a field in the entity, for example by writing a constructor that extracts and casts each value. However, this quickly becomes unwieldy and error-prone. Increases boilerplate code. Requires manual type checking. Complicates handling of nested objects or complex types. Recommended solution: use Jackson's ObjectMapper. Spring Boot includes Jackson for JSON serialization/deserialization. You can leverage Jackson's ObjectMapper to convert the incoming map directly to your entity class. Benefits: clean, concise conversion. Automatic mapping based on field names or at JSON property annotations. Proper handling of nested objects. How to implement. Add a JSON ignore properties, ignore unknown equals true, to your entity. This annotation prevents errors when the incoming JSON contains fields not present in your entity. Use ObjectMapper.convertValue in your service layer. Use a JSON property to handle naming mismatches. If your JSON uses different naming conventions, last_name versus last_name, annotate fields in your entity. This ensures the JSON maps correctly to your Java fields. Additional best practices. Avoid using generic map string, object and controllers. Instead, define DTO classes matching your JSON structure. This allows validation and cleaner code. Separate endpoints and DTOs for distinct entity types. If your API handles multiple user types or entities, create different DTOs and endpoints to keep concerns clear. Leverage bean validation. Add validation annotations, example @notNull, @size, on your DTO/entity fields to enforce data integrity automatically. Summary. Instead of writing manual constructors or mapping code, use Jackson's ObjectMapper.convertValue to convert a JSON map into a JPA entity. Annotate your entity with a JSON ignore properties, ignore unknown equals true, and use a JSON property for custom mapping. This approach is concise, less error-prone, and fits naturally with Spring Boot's JSON processing capabilities.